Hey guys, this is Jake Swilly, and today I'm gonna show you this DVD box. I'm gonna show you guys, which was "Be My Valentine" Charlie Brown. So I got this at Walmart, so you can see here. See, there's a Charlie Brown holding a heart. This includes two bonus TV specials. There's peanuts. So here's the front, the spine, in the back. Fell in love with peanuts. Special features about feature. So there's peanuts, and there's CDS, and there's 25 minutes, and there's narrated, and it's from Warner Brothers. And there's a disc. So that's his "Be My Valentine" Charlie Brown. I hope you enjoyed this TV specials. So that's why, take care. See you next time.